If you're a general contractor, the bid is the business. Win it with the wrong numbers, and you work the next 2 months for free. This is the General Contractor Job Estimator from NicheToolkits, a complete estimating and proposal system that runs entirely in your web browser. No login, no subscription, and your numbers never leave your computer. You open straight to the dashboard. 2 open estimates worth $40,600 in pipeline, $8,600 in one revenue, and your average estimate, $16,400, all in one glance the moment you open the file. Every recent estimate sits right below, with its customer and status. A clubhouse re-roof for the HOA in draft. A kitchen remodel sent and waiting. A turnkey unit refresh already won. The donut breaks the whole pipeline down by status, so you always know what's out for signature and what's stuck. The heart of the tool is the estimate builder. Pick the customer, name the project, set the address and status, and start building the job in sections. Demo and prep, cabinets and counters, flooring and paint, electrical, the way you actually run the work. Each line item carries a quantity, a unit, a material cost, a labor cost, and a waste percentage. 280 square feet of interior demo, 24 linear feet of cabinets. And here's the part most estimating tools hide from you. The live margin engine. Material, $9,500. Labor, $5,700. Then overhead at 10%, contingency at 5%, and your profit at 15%, stacked on top in plain sight. $20,174 with the 30% deposit already worked out. You can see exactly where every dollar of margin lives before the customer ever sees the price. Every estimate you build lands in the pipeline. Search by customer, project, or number. Filter by status. Draft, sent, 1 lost. 1 click reopens the job in the builder, and 1 click turns it into a customer-facing proposal. Underneath it all is a cost library with 52 ready-made assemblies across 16 trades. Demolition, site work, concrete, framing, roofing, electrical, and on down the list. Each assembly carries a material and labor cost per unit, so you can drop a slab on grade or a dumpster pull into any estimate in seconds. And every number in it is editable. Tune the library once to match your market and your subs, and every future estimate starts from your real costs, not a guess. The built-in customer list keeps homeowners, HOAs, and property managers organized, with contact details, estimate counts, and 1 value per customer. The property management and HOA work, the repeat business that actually builds a contracting company, stays visible instead of buried in your phone. In settings, you make the tool yours. Company details, license number, and the defaults applied to every new estimate. Overhead, contingency, profit margin, waste, deposit, and how long a quote stays valid. Your data lives in this browser and nowhere else. Export a backup as a single file, move it to another computer, and keep working. There is no account, because there is nothing to sign up for. When the numbers are right, 1 click turns the estimate into a clean, customer-facing proposal. Your letterhead, your license number, every section with its subtotal, and the valid until date that creates a deadline. Print it, save it as a PDF, or email it straight over. The customer sees a professional document, not a carbon copy guess, and you see the overhead, contingency, and profit that are built into it. That's the General Contractor Job Estimator. $47, one time, yours forever. Find it on Etsy, search NicheToolkits, and bid your next job with the margin built in.